Welcome back. Alright guys, here you can see if I'm in htdocs, in lamp inside htdocs. So I actually want to create folder. Here you can see I cannot create folder, and I cannot actually delete the existing folder also. Here you can see. So why? Because we haven't actually give here read permission. Okay, so to give all the permission, we have to use here, we have to change the mode to 777. So to actually give all the permission, because when we install it, our permission is like 755. So we have give here only the installation permission. Okay, so we have to give the read permission and write all the permission. Okay, so we have to give here 777. So how to do this? Here you can see I am in htdocs, so I will actually go back to the previous directory. Here you can see I am in now opt lamp. Why lamp? Because we are in Linux, right? That's why. But if you are in Windows, you will find XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP. Okay, all right. So I will go here opt. Here you can see opt, then lamp, then htdocs. So you have to actually enter here, and then you can actually open terminal from here, or maybe you can open terminal from local here, and then you can actually go like cd, then /opt/lamp, press enter, and here you can see you are right here. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to actually change the permission and all the permissions. So what I have to do, I have to actually go to the terminal, and here you can see we are in lamp, right? So I will actually clear the screen at first. So I will say sudo super user do. Okay, sudo means super user do, and then I will have to change the mode. So I will say chmod. Okay, change mode to 777. Okay, enter. We have to give the password, so give your password, and missing operand, try help. Okay, so I forgot to mention it, that is htdocs, right? We have to actually change the mode for htdocs. So chmod 777 htdocs, press enter, and now we can actually do this. So let's go to the htdocs, and now here if I right click on it, here you can see we can actually create folder, and we can delete them also. Yes to all. Let's create a folder at first. So we'll say here, let's say test project, or I will say test php. Let's say create, and here you can see this is the file project test php. We can actually run this project, and now I will actually delete all of them, and this one also. What is the problem? Okay, no problem. I have to delete them, right? So I cannot delete it. Why? So let's say I want to do, I will go here cd, and then the next htdocs, right? Okay, so cd htdocs. So if you actually forget all of them, you can actually type here ls for the list, and here you can see you will find htdocs. Where is htdocs, bro? MySQL, myadmin, temp, share, bin, apache, lamp, MySQL. Okay, here is htdocs. Okay, so this is the htdocs. So we'll say cd htdocs. Now we are in htdocs, so I will actually clear it at first, and now I will say sudo chmod 777, and I will actually change dashboard board. Okay, and then sudo chmod 777 img also, and now I can actually delete all of them. Delete. All right, so now we can actually run lamp from here. How to run? So I will actually say here ls. I will actually go to the cd, the lamp, because I want to actually run it. So I will go here and I will copy it. Okay, and here I will say super user do sudo, then /, then I will actually paste it here. Press enter, and it will actually start opening. Okay, the XAMPP control panel, and from here actually we will restart all of them. Here you can see restarting. We need only this Apache web server, okay, because we will not do any MySQL work. If we need any MySQL work, we can actually turn on this MySQL database, but we right now we can actually only use this Apache web server because we need a server only to run the PHP. Okay, but I have already run all of them. So yeah, now let's go back to the browser, and here we can actually search here localhost slash. If I press enter, you will find our project. Here is the test PHP project. So I can actually create a new file inside it. So I will actually go here in the document, no, not really, in the XAMPP, right? So this is the control panel. Okay, I have to go to the opt lamp htdocs test PHP. Inside it I will create a new file, let's say, and I have to actually create a file. So I can actually download a code editor, and then actually I can write code. Okay, so here you can see we can actually delete and we can create folder and delete everything, right, with change mode. What can I say, through the terminal we can change the mode to 777. We'll give all the access, read, write and execute, delete. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. In the next video, till then, goodbye.